everybody, welcome back to Grow Old With Us, where we are growing old together. I'm Cody, this is Josh. We have some exciting news for you.
We doing the new Demon Slayer, episode 1, Sound Hashira.
I'm so excited that we are finally here. It is finally time for the new season of Demon Slayer. I am pumped.
So just to let you guys know real quick, we actually did all the episodes of like season 1, but we can't use them because we used to do them in a different style that you can no longer get away with on YouTube. So
yeah, so it's okay. You didn't get to watch the first ones with us, but you get to watch.
You got to see the movie we did.
Well, the very last part of it. Part 4 stayed. The rest got copywritten, but that's okay.
So we're going to be on this because this is going to be dope.
We are excited, and I am just ready. Like, can we dive in? Huh? Oh, am I going to have to watch it?
Now that I know he didn't have like an 11th stance or whatever, that was dope.
I can't tell you though how much it hurt my heart that did not fully beat.
Like it's dope.
Yeah, if you didn't cry on Mugen Train, you have no heart. I cried. I bawled like a baby.
But I watch a lot of anime.
Every time I watched it, like over and over and over again, it didn't matter. I cried every time.
I've seen a lot of characters die, so I just be like, it's part of it.
Oh, I feel like this is an emotional episode. Oh no. Oh no. I get to see these parts. Or that part. I saw some of it, but...
そうか。炭治郎が。ご報告に参りました。無惨様。
I figured as soon as it said skin disease.
例のものは見つけたのか。調べましたが、確かな情報はなく、存在も確認できず、青い彼岸花は見ではないはずだ。それなのに未だ叶わぬ。どういうことなんだ。
Hardly a complicated task.
お前は得意に走る。貴様の顔、覚えたと小僧。次会った時は、お前の脳髄をぶちまけてやる。
Brain matter.
He tore that sword up.
Speaking of brain matter.
I know, right?
That's a Natsu.
Put some fake ones out there.
バカなの。
Maybe he's going to talk to Rengoku's brother. I don't like this man. Sadly, now he's the only one that knows about Tanjiro's dad.
が火の呼吸の後追いに過ぎない。
Maybe that means he
火
can
の
do
呼
literally
吸をさ
everything.
まりをし劣化した子。なんでだなんでだ
So it's not a flame or fire.
なんでなんだ
He loves headbutting people.
ごめんね、
Why
本
does
当
he
に
look like that all of a
お
sudden?
父さん頭ついちゃって大丈夫だった大丈夫だと
There ain't nobody left for him to learn
そう言いましたよ
sun breathing from.
He's gonna have to talk to his dad. Let's find out more information or what book it's from.
父がよく見ていた書物には心当たりがありまして、これではないかと思うのですが。ありがとうございます。炭治郎さんが知りたいことは書かれているでしょうか。
His dad, the other dad.
You know.
Rengoku's dad.
これはずっと考えていました。だけどそんな都合のいい日輪刀の色は変わらないものですが、
Dang.
どれだけ稽古をつけてもらっても。行ってまいります。
How about please take care of my little brother because you ain't been a dad this whole time. Cry for Rengoku.
発熱してるのか。
Crabby man.
苦しい。
He just lost his wife and gave up on everything else.
You had kids. You can't give up on life when you got kids.
大丈夫だねすか。
And not just give up.
もう
but
すぐ
treat
蝶
them
屋
like
敷に着くから。
He was waiting in the street for him. Oh man, I thought it was a demon at first.
right?
Oh, he got fight demon already. He's still hurt.
Yeah, but he ain't gonna deal with this guy. Jason.
鋼塚さんの追跡は。
おかわりいりませんか？
Oh man. What he do? He lost his sword.
葵さん。
Why are they carrying Nesco with him when he does this? She be straight sitting in the place, chilling.
I like it.
一体どういう鬼狩りなんだ。
I'm just gonna kill you.
ケチかけてきやがった。
おかしいな。確かに物音がしたんだけど。
Quick cleanup.
They disappear.
But usually it takes a minute. You know, it's an emotional.
Well, we don't really know. Well, I mean, that's
It's
for those.
anime time,
That's
so
for
we
those
it don't
who-
take us long.
いや、群がられている。どっちだ。一体どういうつもりだ。俺は長官、柱だぞこの野郎。
Oh no.
なんてことするんだこの人でなし。 とりあえず何が言いたい？今帰ったところだが、俺は力が有り余ってる。言ってやってもいいぜ。おいちゃんを離してもらおうか。たとえあんたが筋肉の化け物でも、俺は思いっきり。
Clearly, we're spanking him and stuff.
We finally get to see a new Hashira. This
For
is
5
the
minutes.
sound Hashira.
I think episode 2 should have been. We only got him for a few minutes.
That's okay.
Anyways, so the episode started kind of emotional. I cried a little
For
bit.
you.
I was a little sad.
I've seen it like 5 times.
You know what? It doesn't matter how many. There's some stuff that affects you every time you watch it. Just this, what it is. Like Mufasa's death. I cry every
It does
time.
not affect me after the first time.
No,
I already know what's
I bet
coming.
you if I watched it again, I haven't watched it in a while, but I bet you if I watched it, I would cry. It's not even his
Now-
death, it's the reaction. It's the reactions of those around.
Now, the fight was like, it's better now that I learned that like he didn't have like an 11th form and stuff like that, and that was like the top that he could go.
Yeah,
And he
he was
made that.
super frustrated
So-
because he didn't know that.
Yeah, well, now that I know that, it makes the
You
fight,
didn't
that
like-
whole
you-
thing so much better because I was just like,
You didn't
I
give
didn't
it
want
a
him to
chance.
I didn't want him to die and not go all out, and that would have been so whack in the anime for it to be like that. But now I know he went all out. That was perfect.
He went. Oh, sorry. He went all out.
Perfect. But
I'm gonna miss Rengoku, but I'm sure his presence will grace us a few times.
I want to know about this sun breathing ordeal because it seems to be the most powerful.
Well, I would feel like, and I could be wrong, but I would feel like if you could do sun breathing, you could master all the forms, since they all are all derived from it. I could be wrong. It could be its own thing entirely, but I feel like you would be able to, because he does the butter, but then the one that the dance or whatever is the fire that has that fire with it.
Right.
So
But I mean, we don't even know what sound, like total concentration of sound, even is. We'll find out watching the sound, Hashira, but we don't even really know what that entails. You know what I'm saying? Like there's so like wind and all the other stuff.
I don't know, but I'm looking forward to finding out more. I'm excited that we're finally in a new season. We finally get some more new Demon Slayer. Stay tuned. As soon as I get the rest of my cosplay, you'll be seeing Nezuko reacting to, maybe her own fights. It'll be fun. I'm excited. I got half of it,
I told
so
you
I'm
to put
ready.
a piece of bread in your mouth.
No, we're not doing
Bread.
that one.
Yes,
Stop.
Okay. Just shove a piece of bread right there, bread roll right there in your mouth.
Anyways, it's going to be fun, and I'm excited. And please make sure you hit that like, subscribe, bell, all of that, so that we can keep making this content for you guys, so that we can keep surpassing, the numbers to get monetized and all that. We're super excited about the future of our channel. Yeah, and until next time.